I'm Jay Vergara, and this is leadhuman.ai. So most people are still using AI in the same way that you use Google. You type in a question, you get an answer, and then you go do the actual work by yourself. And that's fine for a lot of things, but it does also mean that you're still doing all of that heavy lifting. What if instead of just answering your questions, AI could actually do the work for you? That's what an AI agent is. And I want to show you what this looks like because once I figured this out, it completely changed how I get things done in my day-to-day work. So here's the simplest way I can really explain it. A chatbot is like having a really smart friend. You ask it a question, then they give you an answer. And then it's on you to really figure out what to do with that answer. An agent is more like handing a task to a capable colleague. You say, hey, I need you to research this topic, put together a summary, and then save it as a document I can share with my team. And then they just go and do it. They figure out the steps, they figure out which tools to use, and they come back with the actual finished work. The difference isn't about how smart the AI is, it's about whether the AI can actually take a task or basically just talk about taking action. And in my world of HR and learning and development, that distinction matters because a lot of the things that I do in my day-to-day involve pulling information together from many different places and turning it into something useful for a team or like one of my clients. So let me actually show you what this looks like. Now, I'm inside Claude Cowork right now, and I'm going to give it a real task, not a question, an actual work task. Now, I wanted to research the latest trends in corporate onboarding, pull out the key findings for that, and save it as a document I can share with my director. So let's have a look at what it does. And as you can see, I've already actually put the prompt in there, right? And you can pause the screen if you need to get the actual prompt. I'm gonna let it go. And let's have a look at what actually happens. So I'm not asking Claude, what are the onboarding trends? I'm actually telling it to go find the information, make sense of it, and create something I can actually use. And as you can see, it's actually going online and doing that web search. And it's connected with my docx skill. And what that does is it's actually going to create me a document. And you can actually have a look at all of, if you click into this, you can actually have a look into what it was doing. So it looks like it actually disappeared right now, but it will tell me the sources in the next little bit. So, I mean, it's so fast, right? Usually this would take me like 30 minutes or an hour, if not more, looking at through all these sources online. But now it's actually writing that document for me. So let's have a look when it's done. Okay, so it looks like it's done here. And yeah, it's quite extensive. So it looks like the executive summary is done, and it gives me why this report matters, the three key findings, as well as like a description of what those findings are, what the implications are. And at the bottom here, it actually gives me those sources and links. So like I said, this is one of those things where it would have taken me a much longer time to not only do that research, but also create this executive summary as well. And so, folks, this is why this really clicks for me. So I work in L&D and HR, and so much of my job is basically doing this kind of thing. Pulling together research for a stakeholder, drafting a first version of a training outline, summarizing feedback from a workshop. None of it really is hard, it's just really time consuming. This applies to basically any knowledge work. If your day involves taking information from one place, processing it, and creating something new with it, that's what an agent is built for. It's a multi-step workflow that requires tools and not just knowledge. And this shift from chatbot to agent is the shift from AI helps me think to actually AI helps me work. And once you see that difference, I don't think you can really go back. Now, an agent is only as good as the knowledge and tools that you give it. A brand new agent doesn't know anything about your job, your company, or how you like things done. So in the next video, I'm going to show you what a skill is and how it gives an agent specialized expertise so it actually works the way you need it to. Again, My name is Jay Vergara from leadhuman.ai. Check us out on our website. Do all of those YouTube things. If you don't want to do any of that, just come and say hi to me on LinkedIn. That's it. Take care.